Hello again, it's Martin from Bangkok and more. And when you are at the center pier near Pratunam and you want to go to the Golden Mountain Panfa Lelat Pier, be aware of the boat you take, because there is the new tourist boat like this one, costs about 100 baht, and if you take the normal public boat like we take now, it's about 10 baht. So you can spend a lot more if you take the wrong boat. Let's have a tour with it. Let's take the tour from the center pier to Panfa Lelat, and back you can see my old friend from Germany visiting me here in Bangkok. This final destination, Panfa Lelat. You have to look for this sign, because on the other side the boat goes to Ramkhamhaeng. So before we start, they came up for the tickets. I think it's 9 or 10 baht for this trip. It's about 10 baht is about 25-30 US dollar cent. My friend Karl-Heinz invited me and paid for us. Ticket 9 baht. Yes. So on the other side, like I said, is the boat to Ramkhamhaeng and finally Bangkapi. So when you look here around, this is the Platinum Mall, you can see there. And when you go over the bridge, this you can see the skywalk from the Platinum Mall, from the Novotel to the other shopping center, to the Central World and Gaizong shopping center. There are a few other hotels. Next pier in this direction is, I think, Chitlong. Don't know exactly. So people are coming. Karl-Heinz has his seat. So we have some rows to sit, and here in front the motor, some stands. So sometimes the pier is on the right, sometimes on the left side. It's not the same side. If on the other side comes the other boat, they go a little bit slowly because of the waves. Today it's nice weather to travel because it's not so hot. We are in the rainy season now, but a few clouds. Sometimes the sun is coming out, but maybe, I think, in the evening rain is coming. So over the bridge you can see the BTS, or yes, I think it's BTS, direction to the north. And from this pier it's called, let me have a look, Sapan Hua Chang Pier. From here you can go to the MBK shopping center and to the Siam. You can see for this video I'm using a stabilizer. The video is not so shaky, and I hope there is not so much wind. I have a microphone, an external microphone with a windshield on it, but sometimes when you are so fast like now, we have some noise from the wind. People are living here on the Klong. At the other direction of the Klong, they are building a footwalk along the Klong, and maybe in the future you can walk and drive by bicycle near the Klong for a long distance. But here at this part it's not possible. Another station, Sapan Karoen Pol Pier. surprise! The rainy season. But it's not a big problem because I'm using my Sony Xperia XZ Premium and it's water resistant. Only for my stabilizer, the rain is not so good. But it's not a hard rain. So now we are at Bobe Market, Talat Bobe. I made a video about this station and the food stalls around. Nice location. If you want to go to the Bobe Market, it's the best time is early in the morning. I think the market is during the night hours also. And you have to be very, very early in the morning. So the next station is the final destination. It was a trip about, I don't know, about 12 minutes with this boat. For 9 Thai baht. Here it comes. It was only 1 minute rain. That's Thailand, from 1 minute to another. It can rain cats and dogs and then the sun is coming out again. So here's the pier and you can see the Golden Mountain from here. You can go there by feet. Jumping off. This you can remember is the Phanpha Lela Bridge. And from this bridge you can go over this bridge to the Golden Mountain on the other side of this building. So when leaving this station, I came across a few stalls. There is a 7-Eleven on the corner. My friend Karl-Heinz is in front with the yellow cap, so I can find him everywhere he is. You can take a motorbike taxi or some of these tuk-tuks to go to Khao San. It's not far from here. You can walk to Khao San in about 10 minutes, or you can take a tuk-tuk or a motorbike. So I hope it helped you a little bit to go from the center pier to Pan Phar Lelat to the Golden Mountain or Khao San direction, and hope to see you again on my channel. Subscribe and bye for now.